All right, so maybe you're one of the 81,000 people owed money from Cook County for property tax overpayments. If you are one of those, it looks like you're not getting your money anytime soon.
There's a back and forth between county officials and the technology company that was hired to overhaul the property tax system. Delays with that project led to late tax bills, you remember, last year. Well, now there's a new twist in this story. NBC5's Rose Schmidt live in our newsroom with more. Rose.
Alice and Stefan, we obtained a letter sent by the head of Tyler Technologies accusing County Treasurer Maria Pappas of berating them during this upgrade process and saying she used inappropriate language and repeated expletives. Pappas doesn't deny that, but she says she's fed up. She can't get taxpayers the money they're owed. Cook County paid nearly $87 million for Tyler Technologies to upgrade its property tax and court systems. The initial contract shows the tax system overhaul was supposed to be done by 2020. There have been multiple extensions, and it still isn't finished. As a result, the county mailed out property tax bills 4 months late last year. Treasurer Maria Pappas says she also can't process checks for people who overpaid their taxes.
The guy says to me, you pay the county employees their checks. Why won't you give me mine? How would you answer that if you're Maria Pappas? You would sit here and say nothing, or would you call Tyler and ream him out the way I did?
NBC5 Chicago obtained this 9-page letter Tyler Technologies sent Pappas Monday, alleging she used threats, vulgarities, slurs, sexist comments, even asking a staff member if they spoke English, and saying, "I'm going to ruin you." We blacked out expletives they say Pappas used.
They're more than 6 years late. I'm supposed to sit here like this and act like a nun in a Greek monastery and not say anything? I don't think so.
So you're not denying that you said the things that they said?
No, I'm a hothead.
Cook County Board President Tony Preckwinkle's office told us the language is troubling and unacceptable, and the matter will be referred to the Department of Ethics and Human Rights for a thorough review. Tyler's CEO also claims Pappas didn't want the project to happen, writing, "You have berated and bullied my earnest and hardworking team members without repercussion or reproach, and you have tried to sabotage this project for the last time."
I've never tried to sabotage it. Why would I sabotage a project when my job is to get out bills, to collect money, to distribute money, and to send out $181 million worth of checks?